is Macy. Many customers will ask me the same question. Why will it be better for me to choose LCSIGN? Before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channel to get latest tips for expanding your business. Let's go. We have 14 years of manufacturing experience. Near 300 workers with factory area of 12,000 square meters. 300 sets of signs will be produced monthly with CE roles and other certification. Under continuous efforts, now our purchasing rate has raised up 85%. Customer complaint rate control below 1.5%. And the timely delivery rate is 95%. We also will participate in some well-known exhibitions every year, such as Euroshop and Wixom in Germany, ISA in the USA, SUI in Dubai. When some customers come to our factory for inspection, we will provide necessary support and assistance. Our main products are LED sign, neon sign, light box. There are different types of signs under each category. You can choose and customize freely. When our sales confirm customers' detailed needs, different products will be arranged for production one by one. During production, sales will communicate with factory about situation and tell them. When product finished, sales will send a picture of finished product and wait the customer to confirm. Then the express delivery will be arranged to pick up the goods and send tracking to them. If you have any problems after receiving goods, they will help solve and give appropriate solutions. Now, I think you already have a basic understanding of LCSIGN. No matter when, we pursue quality first, so if you are looking for some site that can help your business or reliable site supplier, don't hesitate to choose us. Life isn't perfect, but our site can be. This is Macy from LCSIGN. See you next time.